today's episode, lambing wins again. Kasi let's face it, kung gusto mong makasama ang Britain's Modest Days, kailangang may pagkain na bet nila. Sushi? Automatic yes. And syempre, game din kami ni Tatay dyan. So off we went to the Koi Sushi Bar and Grill sa Sherwood Park.
Thanks, oh, here. There's a ball?
Yeah.
Oo.
Lemon. Kuya, pati lemon sa'yo?
I like lemon.
Yeah,
How do you do it?
I forgot.
Look what I'm at though. Look what happened to my troubles.
I just like do that.
There you go.
Do I just do that?
Oo, ganyan lang. Anong lasa?
Oh.
Oh, what?
Just a
Ano
ball.
kuya? Yung ball ata kasi niya is para malamig.
I want to take out the ball.
A few moments later.
Chicken. It's tori karate.
Oh, you got that?
And calamari.
Did you even order it?
Lava roll. Is it hot because it's lava?
Pretty much.
It's just spicy mayo. That's all the spicy.
Are you sure?
I checked.
Do we order more if you can?
Ubusin mo muna yung nandun sa ano ba? Hindi kuya. Harap?
Looks like you got better. Kuya thinks he got better chopsticks still.
Are you sure?
But I got better. Kuya dropped the...
Eh di wow. What?
We're not paying for the meal.
Tikman muna natin.
You have to first bite them.
Tell me.
My turn. This one?
Ano? Hingi tayo ng masabi?
Kailangan. Of course it's gonna be like this.
No, because he said he wants some. I'm gonna answer. Then that.
It's okay.
May ano pala, avocado. Kaya pala gano'n yung lasa niya.
Nice.
Parang matabang.
You want to taste?
When you're offering Nanay, but you didn't want me.
Gusto mo rin ba ng ganyan?
Gusto mo ng ganun? Order tayo?
Diyan dito check ko ha.
Ano nga kasi to? Tiger roll? Yeah. Ito yung koi.
any of my food.
At saka yung California roll ni Kuya.
Yeah, I can. It's not my talent.
It's not my talent.
What my talent is that I can.
Ano? Good? Buti na lang maikli pa yung buhok mo pag mahaba na yung buhok mo.
Avocado yan eh.
Sabi ka. Ano, kaya? In-order mo lahat yan, ha? Sashimi.
Kaya pala.
Ano yan?
That was a
Oh,
stick.
diba? Presentation.
And then is that stick?
I think so.
It is?
Sa totoo lang, habang tumatanda sila, mas nare-realize ko na moments like this, hindi na siya araw-araw. Hindi na laging sasama sa gala, hindi na laging excited kumain kapag kasama kayo. Kaya kapag may pagkakataon, kahit spontaneous lang, take it, say yes. Kasi habang willing pa silang sumama, habang may tatay, nanay, itry mo tong moments pa. That's good. That's the kind of memory worth keeping. Ha? Kuya is amazing when eating sushi. Right?
Ano, may mga ano pala, kaya mga design.
Kaya matagal nga.
Hindi yung design ng ano, yung pang ano nila sa shade.
Okay. Akala ko naman yung in-order natin may design kaya matagal.